it's Shahara from MK Sky and Joey Ryan Designs. Today we are going to be making some Valentine's Day bath bombs. So you know the cute little heart bath bombs that have the words written on them. That's what we're going to be working on today. But before we start, I just wanted to go over a few things that you're going to see in the video. One of them will be my process. So just adding your ingredients into the bowl. I start with my dry ingredients first. One thing I can suggest is always kind of using a sifter to get out any clumps that may be in your baking soda or citric acid. You're going to see in this video that I'm going to do what you shouldn't do. I did not use a sifter, and it's mainly because I was just in a rush and I needed to get them done. I was short on time. I had to run the kids to activities and I wanted to get this done and have the bath bombs starting to dry. You're going to see me cut a couple corners. I made it work, of course, and they came out beautiful. They came out perfect. But if you're just starting out, you may not want to cut the corners. You may want to, fully commit to doing it the right way. And then maybe as you get some experience, go ahead and cut some of those corners later on. So enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you on the flip side.
Okay, I like to start out with my bath bomb mix. We have citric acid, cream of tartar, and baking soda here. And like I said before, you should sift it out. I didn't. And then I add SLSA. And I put all my dry ingredients in the bowl first before I add the wet ingredients. See these clumps here? This is what you need to get rid of. I'm just going to squeeze a few of these out. Get rid of as many as I can by hand. Now what you don't see here is me adding the wet ingredients, which was just Poly 80 and almond oil. Once all my dry ingredients are in a bowl, I just kind of hand mix them together. SLSA is very airborne, so that's why you saw me wearing a mask for that. When I get to this point, I'm adding my mica powder, and I don't measure, I just kind of go by sight, and then I add a little bit of water. That's going to activate the coloring and also the mixture. So you want to just spray some water in and mix it quickly. Once that's done, you can start packing your bath bomb. Now, as you can see, I kind of drop the mixture in. I don't push it down. Once I have it filled to the top, I then add the topper, and I'm going to apply pressure so that I get everything to squeeze together. Now to release, you just want to pop the top out and slide it off, and then you want to face the bomb down on a flat cushion or cardboard. I got this cushion at Hobby Lobby. And then you want to carefully just squeeze out the sides, and usually the top pops right off. If it doesn't, you'll see moving in the next section that I have to tap the top with a little spoon to help it release. So this cushion that I got from Hobby Lobby, it's literally just a seat cushion, and I wrapped it in saran wrap so that I can change it out every so often, but it helps protect the bath bombs from getting in contact with the cushion.
Uh-oh.
So mistakes will happen, and in the demolding process, sometimes they just don't make it out as smooth. So I scooped the mixture up and just gave it another try, and you'll see this time it came out perfect. Depending on your humidity level where you're located, it could take bath bombs anywhere from 2 to 3 days to dry out completely. For me, I'm in South Florida, so it takes about 2 days for them to be ready to be painted or packaged up. Now, it's very important when you're mixing in your color that you do use a little bit of water. The water is not only going to activate the mica powder and make the colors brighter, but it's also going to help the mixtures bind together. So you do need a binder. Now I will be hand painting these, and I'll be basically just tracing the bee line, just to add a little pop. Oh, she cute. And here's what the finished product looks like. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.